Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time for another Scripture Club reveal. And this is the Scripture Club reveal for April. Can you believe it? I can't believe it either. May's coming up right around the corner. This one is a fun one. You guys asked for it. So if you don't know, on Sundays, I have a little piece of paper that's going to drive me insane. On Sundays, we do a devotion. And I shared a devotion with you guys a while back, several months ago, called Tune Into God. So y'all know what's coming, right? And several of you requested a stamp set to go along with that. And so we played, and this is what we came up with. And I think it's adorable. Look at this Tune Into God set. Are you kidding me? How cute is this? I just love it. So on this set, you get Tune Into God. Pray that God's voice is always the loudest. He has given me a new song to sing. He awakens my ear to hear. And my favorite things in the world, you get a boom box. Remember boom boxes? Come on, you know. You get a cassette tape where his little tape is all run out. And we all laugh. We say we need a little tiny pencil. If you know, you know. You get a microphone, several little music notes, this adorable headset. I'm going to turn it so you can see it, that little headset. And look at this rocking car. I just think this is the cutest thing. And your samples are all very different from each other. So let me show you. Let's start with Brenda's sample. Have you got in mind what Brenda's looks like? Can you put it in your head? Because you know, ready for this? Look, Brenda went classic. Now, when you see the stamp set, do you think classic? Look what she's done. I think this is cool. So look, he awakens my ear to hear. And then on the inside, she used our bird from the Rest stamp set, mixed it together, and he has given me a new song to sing. Look at that. It's very Brenda, isn't it? Isn't that funny? You don't think that when you see that. Now, you know my card is going to look like the stamp set. Now, Shannon went very 80s, and I love it. Look what she did. Glitter, ombre. Look how cute this is. Pray that God's voice is always the loudest. On her classic mini slimline, it's her favorite to do. I love how this turned out. I hope you guys too. This is a really cute one. And then I had to be extra. Y'all know me, right? I just had this in my head, and I love this. Check this out. He has given me a new song. Isn't that cute? Now, I filmed a video on this one for you because I filmed the process. It'll be up Saturday. So if you're interested in making this one, you'll be able to see this one on Saturday. So it's just a little pull. It goes like that. You don't need any dies or anything. This is super easy to do. And look on the inside, Tune Into God. Now, I will say this to you because you're probably watching this and thinking what I thought. After I made this card, I thought, I wish I'd have switched those two. I wish I'd have had He has given me a here and then new song here. You'll hear me talk about that in the video. But if you're thinking it, I was thinking it too. So there you go, our three samples. Could they be any different? Look, could they be any different from each other? I love that. Look at this one. So not what you would think, especially, I think this one, I feel like this is the stamp set. This is so cute. This is just not what you would think. I think it's cool when you see different perspectives on stamp sets. All right, guys, that's the new one for this month. Now, as always, we have a winner from last month. We give away a $50 gift card every month. All you have to do to enter, make a project using this stamp set, add it to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, and you are entered to win. So there will be a random winner in the top line of the description of this video for that $50 gift card. If you would like to pick up this set and you're not in the club, that's not a problem. You can. We have this available in the store for you. If you're a club member, though, you get it for a little less expensive, and you also get a discount in the store. That's one of the perks for being a club member. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one as much as we did. Thank you for asking that we do this. That was very sweet that you guys brought it up. I think it is exactly what I had in mind, and I love that you guys asked for a Tune Into God stamp set. All right, guys, until next time, bye now.